And you remember what happened at your first meeting at Southwest?
You really took the time to like ask a lot of questions about what was going on, and you like felt around in those spots, it was just kind of clear that although there were no like visible signs of injury, which had like stumped other people in the past, that like you could identify an issue, which was very cool.
Okay, great. And when did you realize that, and why was this the solution?
I found that about a day or so after the first session, I felt like really noticeably better. And I think I attribute it to just like the body taking time to respond to what has happened in the session. A lot of the time with other treatments, it provided like immediate relief, but wasn't lasting. And this is kind of the opposite, which I also thought was interesting.
Yes, true. And what kind of results did you have?
I would say like neck pain has gone from like a 7 to a 2, and I feel it much less often. And the hip pain is no longer there when I walk. I just ran for the first time in several months and was able to do like 2 miles, and I expect to be able to build up on that. So I'm like very pleased with the results in a very short amount of time.
Oh, very good. I'm happy. I'm happy to hear that.
Yeah.
And on a scale from 1 to 10, like one, my treatment didn't work at all, and 10 would be the best treatment that you ever had. How much would you rate?
10 for sure. Like this issue stumped a lot of people, and yeah, I really did not expect results this fast. So yeah, 10 for sure. Thank you.